Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are diving into exciting world of generative AI. We will explore what exactly is generative AI. We will break down this powerful technology and how it creates new content. Top organization leading the charge in generative AI. So let's discover who is at the forefront of this cutting edge technology. So generative AI, in short form GenAI, is a type of artificial intelligence techniques and algorithms that are designed to generate new data. As you can see on the screen, and these different data are such as images, text, audio and other form of content that is similar to existing data. These algorithms learn from the data set and then produce new sample that exhibit the similar characteristic or pattern as from the original data. So imagine if AI could create new things on its own. So that is what generative AI does. It looks at lots of examples and then try to make something new that fits in. For example, after seeing many pictures of cats, it can try to draw a new cat picture on its own. Or after hearing lots of songs, it might try to make new tune. It is like giving AI a creative touch and it's pretty exciting to see where it can go. So these are top level view of the generative AI. So learning algorithm are foundations model. So based on the foundations model, all the input and output are revolving. So what is the foundations model? Foundations model are trained on massive data set of generic unlabeled data. This data could be text, code, images or even audio. Though this training, they learn to recognize patterns and relationship between this vast amount of information. Generative AI applications then leverage these foundations of knowledge from the foundations model and then can be further fine-tuned, or we can say trained on more specific data. So training on more specific data is called fine-tune. Generative AI applications then leverage these foundations of knowledge from foundations model and then they can be further fine-tuned or trained on a specific data to specialize in particular tasks like creating realistic images or animals or composition of the music in a specific genre. So you can see on the screen right hand side, the output could be task. This task could be answering questions, sentiment analysis, information extraction, image captioning, object recognition, instruction following. So these are many things we can draw on or we can take as output from the foundations model. So many are creating helpful chatbot or making decisions that can answer questions. As you can see on the screen, there are lots of AI applications that are more established, but they are like exploring new use cases, new uses in the area like healthcare, money management, keeping data private and lots more, as you can see on the screen. So these are some applications, real world applications that people are using for day-to-day life, and there are more different tasks this application are doing. So as you can see on the top, there is top 50. So chatbot, ChatGPT, character.ai, Bard, so now is a Gemini, Mid Journeys, Hugging Faces, Perplexity. So some of these are popular ones, so you can also follow. I've just taken this a screenshot. So these are some real world use cases that generative AI can do. Okay, now going to the organizations and the projects. So these are top highlighting organizations and the different projects that leveraging generative AI. Across the world, there are lots of talk about artificial intelligence of AI. Okay, so these are, you can see, organizational project based on their experience, discovery, creator economy, spatial computing, decentralizations, human interface in infrastructure. So these are top organizations. They are working on different different criteria and different tasks that is making an ecosystem for our generative AI or AI applications. So across the world, there are lots of talk about artificial intelligence or AI, or maybe simply more focused about generative AI. So business people are wondering, how will AI change our company? So how basically the AI and generative AI changing the businesses or enterprises? Government are thinking, what will AI means for the job? How the job will for after the AI? Is it safe, or how should we manage it? Company want to use AI, but they also want to keep their data private and the safe. Developers or tech savvy folks are trying out new things and exciting things with AI. So as a formal definition of the term generative AI emerged from the field of artificial intelligence to describe a set of techniques and algorithms focused on generating new data that mimics the existing pattern or characteristic from the training data. So this is the formal definitions, or maybe you can code your own, you can write your own formal definition. So just I collected this basic informations to define the term generative AI. So thank you so much for watching. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and if there is something missing this information, maybe in coming video I will add more and more in a more explanatory video I will try to add. So thank you so much for watching.